City, your stories, celebrating the people and places that make Houston shine. It's Great Day Houston. And now, here's your host, Deborah Duncan.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Great Day Houston, our home appreciation show. The house is the biggest investment most people make. To protect it, you have to maintain it. We're starting outside the home today. Several areas are exposed to the elements, and as we witnessed this week, we can go from rain to sunshine and heat in a matter of seconds. That can cause sidewalks, driveways, and patios to shift and crack. It's not only ugly, but it can also be dangerous. Take a look at this picture. Because of cracking and buckling, there's now a step in front of this door that wasn't there before. Baird Foundation Repair offers long-term solutions for these issues that will benefit you and the environment. Joining us to explain how their process works is Jose Trevino with Baird Foundation Repair. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so I mentioned all those other things like patios and sidewalks and all that stuff, but a lot of people think about when they have issues with concrete and stuff is the foundation. You take care of that also.
That's correct, right? At Baird Foundation Repair, we do foundation repair in both slab homes and in crawl space homes as well.
Yeah, we say crawl space homes. There's a thing called crawl space encapsulation. These are those out of sight, out of mind things that people don't know, can't see, so they don't know there's a problem.
That's correct. And encapsulation will allow us to control moisture under the home and further protect the home.
All right, concrete lifting and leveling, concrete repair. Okay, services can be done, as I mentioned, on the sidewalks, patios, driveways. And truly, you see every day where it's not only ugly, but it really is dangerous.
Right, and a lot of times concrete will crack and it will begin to shift, causing tripping hazards.
Yeah, I've shown up at people's houses before and it has cost our friendship because my brand new shoes, the heels got stuck in
Oh,
it.
no.
Yeah. But actually, yeah, it can be very dangerous. And if your kids are playing on the patio or playing on the sidewalk or playing on the driveway, they'll trip and fall too.
That's correct.
Okay, so the concrete and weather here, as I touched on, we just have extreme weather here in Houston. That's a big part of the problem, and the soil.
Right, absolutely. And in extreme heat, we'll see where our soil in this area will compact, further causing damage to your concrete, but also in extreme rain and extreme weather, we'll also see that soil begin to shift underneath the concrete slabs.
Another problem, because that's why we see issues in old homes, but also new homes, is how it was put down to begin with. There is a process.
There is, and when we lay concrete or even homes, we have to properly compact the soil. A lot of times, that's a step that's missed and can cause some issues with the integrity of your concrete.
All right, you have several solutions that you can offer. Let me start with this though. A lot of times when people are having construction work done, they're concerned about who's coming to their home. You know who's coming to our home because first of all, they're your employees,
right,
but they're also able to do the job.
That's right, and we will send a trained concrete repair expert over to your home to take care of you.
Yeah, we say trained because things have changed over the last several years. Technology changes in every industry. It's changed in yours, and so you keep updated on things.
Absolutely.
All right, lift and level, stabilize with poly level. Where would you do that?
Yeah, so we take care of that where we start to see concrete slabs begin to shift or sink, creating tripping hazards, and we'll inject a high-grade polymer level foam underneath the slab of that concrete where it gives it the opportunity to lift and stabilize that concrete.
Yeah. When you say where you start to see things, so is this one of those things where the earlier you catch it, the better?
Absolutely.
Okay. Nexus Pro Joint Sealant for joints and cracks.
Yeah, so Nexus Pro, it is a silicone-based sealant where we close up cracks and we also enclosed joints to protect it from water going underneath the concrete to prevent washout.
Yeah, because that's what makes things worse.
Correct.
Yeah, and then we know, like when you talk about extreme weather during Harvey, a lot of homes sat in water for a while.
That's
so
correct.
that had, and we have flooding here. There are lots of places where water will collect and pool at people's homes. That becomes an issue as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And that also will make a huge impact on the concrete and then further make it susceptible to damage.
All right, lifting benefits. Let's go through those.
Yeah, so when we're able to lift, we're going to be able to make sure we can create an area where you can walk and not have to worry about tripping, but most importantly, it's going to be cost efficient and it's going to be time saving for you as well.
Yeah, okay. Give Baird Foundation a call if you have that issue at your home, and when you do, walk us through the process.
Yeah, so we'll have a concrete trained repair expert come out to your home, and they're going to do an in-depth inspection of what the causes are, exactly how we're going to fix it, and exactly what it's going to cost. And it is a no obligation free inspection.
Yeah, and the thing we want obviously is for the job to be done well, but we also like the culture of the company we're doing it with. This is a family-owned company. And what's nice about that is that you have local oversight, and the family is has a lot of pride in what they do, and they've been doing it for a long time.
Right, absolutely. Yeah, we've been in business since 1969, right? And we absolutely love to provide remarkable experiences to our customers each and every time.
All right, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's not if but when pretty much mentioned in this area that we're going to have some issues, right? Baird Foundation Repair has a special offer. Mention Great Day Houston and you'll get $250 off any concrete repair project of $2,500 or more. To get started on your concrete repair, call 713-533-8174. Again, that's 713-533-8174, or visit their website at gobairdgo.com. Gobairdgo.com.